Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Renoy.
And I'm Yannick.
And in our vlog, we said that we had something that we were going to tell you guys, but we're waiting on another video. This is the night of that particular video, and well, we're now here to tell you what it is. So, if I can find the effect, I'm going to put a drum roll right here to build the anticipation. So, drum roll. So, okay, so I think I would have probably stopped the drum roll. So here we go again. Drum roll. 1, 2, 3. We got married. We got hitched. We finally decided to bite the bullet, so to say, even though I don't like that phrase. Yeah, tie the knot sound. And we literally tied the knot. or what was it, ceremony?
Oh shoot.
Wow.
It was our unity ceremony, instead of using the traditional candles or sand, we did the tying of 3 strands. So we had a unity board.
And by we, she means I held some and she told me exactly what to do, because I've never plaited hair or anything like that in my life. But yes, once again, we are married, and I know some of you might have, and it was kind of obvious, seen it in the vlog or showing at random points. Even though we said, even that same scene where we said we're gonna say it in another video, it was showing, but it is what it is. We are married, and in that video I did ask if you guys would prefer me to have videos like these, and well, we're gonna have other videos. We're gonna have, where we plan to have videos where we're engaging with other married couples as well, and maybe not even just married couples, other couples as well. We have a lot of up and down, so to say, that we want to do,
and places that we'll be going,
yeah, a lot of plans like that. Once work schedules work with, you know, all those things, so we're gonna do all of that. And I was asking,
I think instead of just asking, we're just gonna go ahead and post on IG and YouTube. Just go ahead and
IG and YouTube. But the question was, do I post stuff like these, which directly relates to us, on my OC Imaging page on YouTube,
no,
or do I post it on our YouTube page or channel? So that's what we're gonna do.
I guess.
Alright, so I'm asking you guys, she's answering, and you know, I'm gonna work with her. Happy spouse, happy house. That's what our pastor said, and I love that. So happy spouse, happy house. I prefer that to happy wife, happy life, because that's kinda, you know, that is the earth or level kind of thing. But yeah. So yeah, that was the question, but based on what wifey just said, we're gonna go ahead and post these videos on our channel. So it would be awesome if you guys could go over there, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Not that we're sharing our lives with everybody, it's just that we're planning to share certain experiences with you guys. Yeah. So there's more to come, clearly. We're currently on vacation in Ocho Rios. We are at a beautiful home in a beautiful community, and I plan to also do a review on this particular house as well. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna try to vlog on a other daily basis, and somebody should be helping me with that as well, as their phone is quite capable. But yeah, if you're watching, thank you so much for watching. Again, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm Renoy.
I'm Yannick.
I don't know if we're gonna run with the live, love, and laugh thing. Oh, we do actually have our thing.
What? A love like ours.
I don't know how you end a video on a love like ours, but
yeah, that's not weird.
Yeah. We're out. Yeah.
Bye guys.
can't reach. So, bye bye. Alright, so you go turn into that camera. Hold your height, your head.
Why?
So I can see.
This is where Unity board, guys. Yes.
And then, oh, okay. So, do you wanna?
What?
I don't know.
What difference does it make?
I don't know, just, you know, unity. Let's hold it together to show the unitiness.
He's an idiot.
I am. I think you guys all know this. Oh, that's it. So we're done.
Oh, and we have to give credit, by the way. So I wanted to do something different for our unity ceremony. I thought the traditional sand and candle was just too old. The traditional sand was getting old too. So I went on a, what do you call that? A researching thingy and actually found something like this. And then I found someone on Instagram who was able to replicate it and just put a little touch, you know, change a lot of things here and there. And we have to figure her up. Her name is June Lynn Arts.
Well, that's the name of the page.
Yes, her name is Junice. But her page is JUNLYNARTZ. I think we can add it to the video.
We can.
And you guys can go on IG, show her some love, support her. Trust me, she does a whole lot of other stuff.
Yeah, man, she does a lot of woodwork.
Literally. But that's not, listen. Junlin Arts on IG, guys. Like, she really delivered.
Definitely reaching out for something else from her.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this was under a week.
Yeah.
We got this under a week, so thumbs up to her and thank you, girl, so much.
Also, we should probably give thanks or show some appreciation to other persons as well.
Yes.
Definitely want to show appreciation to Dane, aka AA Portraits. I want to give thanks to Anelio from Visionaries.
Yes.
We want to give some love to Michael as well. Michael Lynch from Lynch Photography.
Yes.
Claude, my best man, thank you so much for always being there, and I expect you to be there continuously, you know, till death do us part. It's not the same, but you know, yeah.
Wow.
Clara, thank you so much,
Yes.
and everyone who was in attendance. And also I have to apologize once again. We were supposed to live stream our wedding, and I did not know what went wrong. That blew up in.
We still don't know what happened. Guys. We don't. For one, like there were quite a few hiccups on the day, and we won't name them all.
Yeah,
Trust
me.
Well,
I particularly wanted to do this thing, which is called a first look, and that is where the bride, well, the groom stands at a very nice location. The photographer is there, and then the bride walks up behind. That is before the wedding ceremony and everything. So the groom would get to see his bride before everybody else. And I really wanted to do that, but you know, showers of blessings, so to say.
a whole lot.
Yeah, a lot of showers of blessings. But all in all, it was still a very good day. I will absolutely share some of the images that were caught by Lynch Photography. I haven't received the others as yet, but yeah, we'll share some of those images. And
how can we forget Orchid Open Arts on IG, guys. Sydney, thank you so much, honey. The cake shell.
Alright, so it's a case where the cake
Literal.
look nice and taste.
Okay.
Yeah, we're supposed to leave some pieces for people, but it's a
I'm
struggle.
not so sure we're gonna.
It's a struggle.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know if we're gonna have enough left by the time the vacation finish. Because I be eating at least 2 slices a day. So I don't know if any cake went leave.
But yeah, the cake was good. So that's Oven Art. Thank you very much. Yeah, so that's it. We had already ended the video, but this is the second ending of the video. So, what we can do is when we're ending our video, we hope you can all find a love like ours. channel. Once again, I'm Renoy, and this is
Yannick.
and we're Renoy and Yannick. Yeah, start the
I'm starting here.